So hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Francine aka Franny. So today's video is about the Bratz challenge. So I decided to try it out. I really tried. I tell you, I really tried. Look at this look right here, all messy and stuff. But anyways, you guys, if you want to stick around to see how I got this look, kindly stick around. Who's new to my channel, hit that subscribe button later. Okay, so I'm applying my foundation, which I would normally use. And for my eyebrows, I use the glue to stick them down. It's washable, you guys. And this is where I'm basically trying to hide my my eyebrows. I didn't know what to do with my eyebrows. I've seen a whole lot of video and I still couldn't get the technique of how I could actually hide these eyebrows. To me, it's still showing. Anyways, so I went ahead and I did my concealer, which I didn't really need it to do. When you look at it, I didn't really need to do all of that as yet, but I did it anyways. Anyhow, I decided to start off by shaping out using a white eyeliner. I shaped out the shape of the eyes that a Bratz would basically have. That's how I started off, with the white part under my eyes. So next, what I'm gonna do is, basically, since I couldn't hide those eyebrows, I just put some gray eyeshadow over it. And then this is where I'm doing my creasing. I use like something a little bit thicker. So that's basically what I did so far. But I'm really upset that I couldn't hide those eyebrows though. Anyhow, so I couldn't show you guys what I did because I lost my footage. But anyways, I went ahead behind the camera, I guess, and I put in my pink eyeshadow and I did under my eye. I tried to do the iris, a black iris, you know, and that's basically what I did. However, I'm so sorry I lost the footage. My camera was giving problem. So all I did was shaped up the eye with an eyeliner. I basically trace around the white area, and then I'm doing a little eyelining thing at the top right there, make it look like a creasing, but it's just higher than my normal creasing. So now I'm basically trying to bring this gray eyeshadow a little bit more inner because it was a little too out. So anyways, I don't even know what I'm saying. Anyways, so I'm trying to see if I could hide my eyebrows again here by putting some concealer at the top there. Anyways, I blended in. It was a little bit successful. This is where I've used a black eyeliner to do my eyebrows, which Bratz normally have the thin eyebrows. The eyebrows. And then this is where I messed up big time because my liquid eyeliner was freaking drying up and stuff. So anyways, I tried with that and trying to put those fake lashes in, and it all messed up. I was mad. So this is what it looks like here. I just clean it up a little bit with the concealer, and boom, look at that right there. So now I gotta do the bottom eyelashes, which look much better than the top one. For some reason, I am really upset. I didn't want to go in and wipe it up and clean it up because it would have been a whole lot of mess again, and then I would have to start over. Anyways, a whole long story. I do not look like a Bratz. Like, I don't know what this is, but I don't look like a Bratz, you guys. I really don't. I messed up, okay? I don't know what this look is, but this is not Bratz. This is just a whole other type of Bratz, okay? Anyways, you guys, later.